What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your LinkedIn profile section. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in LinkedIn. After that, just click on this website. This is the official website of LinkedIn. After clicking, if you are new to LinkedIn, you will see multiple options of sign in with email, continue with Microsoft, or sign in with Apple or Google. You can continue with whatever software you'd like to enter your email and password. Now, after signing or logging in, on the right side at the top, you can see this profile. This is your profile, and after clicking on this icon, click on View Profile, and after clicking on View Profile, after coming to your profile, just scroll down a bit, and then you can see the pencil icon. Click on this icon, and after that, when you click on this plus icon, you can add your education, or if you click on this pencil icon, you can edit your education, or you can delete this from here. When you're done, just simply click on save. Let's say if you have multiple educations or you have multiple skills. So when you will click on this pencil icon, if you have multiple education or multiple skills, here you will see the option of three dots. When you will click on that, you will see the option of reorder. So from there, you can rearrange your uh, education or skills or whatever section that you want to rearrange or reorder. After clicking that button, it will reorder automatically. So this is how you can rearrange your LinkedIn profile section. That was all for this video, everyone. Thanks for watching.